Yeah, I forgot to make a video of this, but just so you know, lift 3 has completed the surgery, and the final lift we'll do for is lift 2. Look. And you know I'm not supposed to be in here, but oh wow, we get to see the shaft. It's impressive. Wow, look at that. Right,
Going up.
Alright, we'll go up to 13. Cab view. DDA panel. That brightened my day whenever I got to see inside the lift shaft.
13th floor.
You're at 13. Now we'll try and get my 5 lifts. So this one's done.
Going down.
I'll do another video of once all of them have been completed. Once this one has been completed. Hope it leaves. Yeah, it has. Which one should it be next? Because I have no idea. Because these generic square lanterns, I've got no idea. And no 4 numbering. Anyway, I've got the brand spanking new one,
Going
modernised.
down.
And wow, they even fixed the LCD. So I'm proud.
12th floor.
Something at 12.
Going down.
The sound for the DDA panel.
Going down. Floor. Going down. Eighth floor. Going down. First floor. Going down.
You hoping out here? No.
Ground floor.
Here you go.
Going
Thank
up.
you. And at this stage, all lifts have that sound of when you push the button, have a sound, except for lift 1, which doesn't have it at all.
Going up.
Which level?
Sorry. Going up.
Oh, 8. We'll hop out at 13 and we'll get another lift.
Second floor. Going up. Eighth floor. Going up.
Did they put a new floor symbol?
Going up.
It's my last visit? They might have. But so the interior is still the same, except
13th floor.
the biggest change is it has KDS Macquarie Centre voice,
Going
new
down.
DDA panel, and that's pretty much it. hang on. The old lifts had no DDA. Sorry. I'll show you whenever one of them comes. Got lift 4. Exactly getting them in order. Once again, the ones that have been unmodernised had none of these. This one might have the lowest pitch in sound whenever you push the button.
6th floor.
It's pretty low pitch. Here we are at 6. Going down?
That's getting me to. All those tasks, has anyone deleted that yet? 500?
Which one?
All the stuff in the
2nd
backlog.
floor.
Yeah. What's the first one?
We'll go to 9 and get another lift.
Ground floor.
Once again, that's the original DDA panel that doesn't make any sound. That's the new one. I don't know what to say about this, but they needed a modernisation.
9th floor.
It's not a full replacement, as the interior is still the same. Always it's been modernised by Cone. And before the refurbishment started in the first lift, they used to have ECD voices. I wonder which one we get next. Oh, we'll get lift 1. This is the one that makes no sound with the brand new DD8 panel. See, nothing. We'll go up to 10 though.
Tenth floor.
Over it leaves. Nah. No, it hasn't.
Going up.
Oh, that was loud. That jump scared me.
Ninth floor.
Alright, we'll send this one. I think I might know level 10 in lift 4 has the loudest chime of them all. They sound similar to the modernised Otis Lexans at Intrapilli Shopping Centre, but I've already done all my old videos of those old lifts and I'm not doing any more until they've both been fully replaced, or at least one has a new cab. We'll get lift 6.
Going up.
And this GA panel is about 4/4, but that's okay. No voice, I'm afraid.
Going
We'll
down.
send this all the way down to the bottom. And the last lift to get is lift 5. The last lift to get is the one that you're looking at now. So I'll try and get that one. What's in here? Here it is. Slip 5.
11th floor. Gallery.
We'll end the video on ground as
Ground floor.
it's time. Once again, before I end the video, this is another view of the shaft. It's pretty dark in here, so no point. Yep.
Ground floor.
We can also hear voices from here.
Going up.
Wow, that's nice. And that concludes the video. Hope you guys like and subscribe and turn on notifications so I don't miss a video. See you next time.